Hello, this is Looking Forward for Physics 121 for Monday, the 5th of September, 2016. As you get ready for class on Monday, I'd like you to read sections 3.1 through 3.5 of your book. You can look at section 1.4 if you'd like, and then read sections 2.1 through 2.4 of your book. And think about the following questions. The first one is, what does it mean if two things are independent? Or, if you prefer the converse, what if they are dependent? Consider apples and oranges. Are they independent or dependent on each other? And if you were to write down a grocery list in terms of apples and oranges, how would you write that? Likewise, consider traveling. If you were to travel, let's say here's a compass with north to the top and east to the right. If you were to travel a certain amount east and a certain amount north, are those two bits of travel independent of each other or dependent on each other? And how would you write down your total net travel in terms of those two things? The second area I'd like to think about is, what does it mean when you use the word displacement? Right now, with a hurricane down in Florida, there are displaced persons. What does that mean if I say a person is displaced? How could I tell if one person was displaced and another one wasn't? And second of all, when that person who was displaced then comes back home after the hurricane, are they still a displaced person? And what does that mean about our definition of displacement? Third, what does an odometer measure? And what does a speedometer measure? And how do those relate to this concept of displacement? And how does it relate to this concept of writing down things that are dependent or independent of each other? We'll talk about that and more when we get together tomorrow. See you then.